The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, with its cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and undeniable style, the Lyriq has been turning heads and winning hearts since its debut. But what's the latest buzz surrounding this electric sensation? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the April update that's setting the automotive world abuzz. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. First up on our radar is the remarkable conquest rate of the Cadillac Lyriq, which has been skyrocketing in recent months. Initially boasting a 40% conquest rate, meaning nearly half of its buyers were new to the Cadillac brand, the Lyriq has now hit a staggering 50% conquest rate. That's right, half of Cadillac Lyriq buyers are new to General Motors altogether. In a statement from GM Senior Vice President and GM North America President Marissa West, she remarked, "Our brands are all performing well. GM gained retail market share year over year with strong mix and pricing. Our inventories are in good shape heading into the spring, and production and deliveries of Ultium platform EVs are rising, led by the Cadillac Lyriq. We're on plan." This surge in conquest rate is reflected in the Lyriq's sales performance, which saw a jaw-dropping 7,500% increase to 9,154 units in Q4 2023. While General Motors still has ground to cover compared to rivals like Tesla, which claimed 94% of the segment's market share with the Model Y, the Lyriq's momentum is undeniable. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq isn't just about numbers and conquest rates. It's a vehicle that exudes luxury and innovation at every turn. Boasting features like Google Built-in Assistant, a stunning 33 LED display, and ambient lighting, the Lyriq is redefining what it means to drive in style. For the first time ever, the Lyriq dazzled drivers at the 2024 NY Auto Show's EV test track. Don't miss our exclusive segment with Eyewitness News meteorologist Brittany Bell, as she takes the Lyriq for a spin around New York City, showcasing its unparalleled performance and sophistication. Next up, addressing battery energy control module issue. In the midst of its rising popularity, a service update has been issued for certain units of the 2023 and 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. General Motors has identified a battery energy control module issue affecting these vehicles, which may result in a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, due to a software defect. Qualified GM dealership service technicians are instructed to reprogram the module in affected Lyriq units as a corrective measure. The fix is available until the end of the new vehicle limited warranty period, providing peace of mind to owners. Pricing for the all-electric luxury crossover starts at $58,590 for the base tech trim with rear-wheel drive, climbing to $74,590 for the range-topping Sport 3 variant with all-wheel drive. Both configurations are powered by GM's Ultium battery and Ultium drive motor technologies, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. The rear-wheel drive variant offers a slightly longer range of 314 miles on a full charge, while the all-wheel drive version is capable of covering 307 miles on a single charge. Under the hood, the Lyriq rear-wheel drive features a single motor producing 340 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, while the all-wheel drive variant boasts a combined 500 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque from two electric motors. What's next? 2025 Cadillac Lyriq production and Lyriq V speculations. Looking ahead, production for the 2025 Cadillac Lyriq is scheduled to commence on September 9, 2024. While the upcoming model year will only receive minor updates, anticipation is building for the high-performance Lyriq V variant, rumored to produce around 550 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. Although details surrounding the Lyriq V remain sparse, its potential debut is eagerly awaited by enthusiasts and industry experts alike. With the current 2024 Lyriq setting new benchmarks in luxury electric vehicles, the future looks promising for Cadillac's electric lineup. The success of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is not just a win for Cadillac, but also a pivotal moment for General Motors' broader electric vehicle strategy. As Marissa West, GM's Senior Vice President and GM North America President, highlighted, the production and deliveries of Ultium platform EVs, led by the Lyriq, are on the rise. This underscores GM's commitment to transitioning towards an all-electric future and solidifies the Lyriq's role as a flagship model in this transition. With the GM BEV3 platform serving as the foundation for the Lyriq, the vehicle showcases the scalability and versatility of GM's electric vehicle architecture. Production at the GM Spring Hill plant in Tennessee further emphasizes the company's investment in domestic manufacturing and job creation in the electric vehicle sector. Beyond its impressive performance and luxury features, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq leverages advanced technology to elevate the driving experience. The integration of Google built-in assistant provides seamless connectivity and voice-controlled functionality, allowing drivers to stay connected, informed, and entertained on the go. The 33 LED display serves as the centerpiece of the Lyriq's cockpit, offering crisp visuals and intuitive controls for various vehicle settings and infotainment options. Coupled with ambient lighting that sets the mood and enhances visibility, the Lyriq demonstrates how technology can be leveraged to create a personalized and immersive driving environment. As the automotive industry continues to shift towards electric vehicles, sustainability and environmental responsibility are becoming increasingly important factors for consumers. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, with its all-electric powertrain and impressive range, is not only a luxurious and high-performance vehicle but also a step towards reducing carbon emissions and promoting greener transportation solutions. With a range of 314 miles for the rear-wheel drive variant and 307 miles for the all-wheel drive version, the Lyriq offers practicality and peace of mind for long-distance travel without compromising on performance or luxury. This balance of range, performance, and sustainability positions the Lyriq as a compelling choice for eco-conscious consumers seeking to minimize their environmental footprint without sacrificing style or comfort. As we look towards the future, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq's success sets the stage for continuous innovation and evolution within the electric vehicle market. While the upcoming 2025 Lyriq model year will see minor updates, the potential introduction of the high-performance Lyriq V variant promises to further expand the Lyriq lineup and appeal to a broader range of consumers. With the electric vehicle landscape rapidly evolving and competition intensifying, Cadillac and General Motors are poised to leverage the momentum generated by the Lyriq to explore new opportunities, partnerships, and technological advancements. Whether it's enhancing battery technology, improving charging infrastructure, or introducing new features and capabilities, the future looks bright for Cadillac and the electric vehicle industry as a whole. With the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq generating significant buzz and demand, many prospective buyers are eagerly awaiting news on delivery dates. The soaring popularity and production momentum of the Lyriq suggest a promising outlook for timely deliveries, but several factors need to be considered when estimating potential delivery timelines. General Motors' commitment to ramping up production and deliveries of Ultium platform EVs, spearheaded by the Cadillac Lyriq, is a positive sign for prospective buyers. The production at the GM Spring Hill plant in Tennessee and the ongoing optimization of the supply chain are crucial factors that could expedite the delivery process. Given the Lyriq's impressive conquest rate and surging demand, it's likely that there's a substantial reservation and order backlog. This high demand could potentially extend delivery timelines as General Motors works to fulfill existing orders while continuing to produce new vehicles. The rollout of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq may vary by region, depending on regulatory approvals, infrastructure development, and market demand. Initially, deliveries may prioritize key markets where electric vehicle adoption is higher and infrastructure support is more robust before expanding to other regions. While the exact delivery date for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq may vary based on production capacity, order backlog, regional availability, and market rollout, prospective buyers can expect General Motors to provide regular updates and insights into the delivery timeline as production ramps up. Given the current momentum and commitment to accelerating production and deliveries, it's reasonable to anticipate that early reservation holders and new buyers could start receiving their Lyriq vehicles within the next few months to a year, depending on when orders were placed and production schedules. As always, staying informed and maintaining open communication with Cadillac dealerships and General Motors customer service will be essential for staying updated on delivery timelines, potential delays, and any new developments related to the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. In conclusion, while the anticipation for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is high, setting realistic expectations based on production capacity, order backlog, and market rollout will help prospective buyers navigate the delivery process more effectively and ensure a smoother and more enjoyable ownership experience once the vehicle arrives. In conclusion, the April update for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq reaffirms its status as a game-changer in the electric vehicle market. With its soaring conquest rate, luxurious features, and commitment to addressing any issues proactively, the Lyriq is capturing the hearts and minds of drivers across the country. Whether you're a tech-savvy enthusiast, a luxury car aficionado, or someone looking to make the switch to electric, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq offers something for everyone. Stay tuned for more updates on this electric sensation as it continues to redefine the automotive landscape and pave the way for a greener, more sustainable future on the road. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then give us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.